Assalamu alaikum students, this is Fatima here. Hope you all are fine. In today's lecture class, we will start our final term. But before starting it, the most important thing for you to know is that the exam of this subject will be conducted oral. So students, listen all the lectures carefully and learn it as well. Okay. Now class, move forward and see the first topic for this week, which is mining and power. And this chapter is from your geography portion. In today's lecture class, I will give you the overview of this topic. So listen me carefully. First of all, we will talk about the mining. Mining means कानकुनी करना या काने खोदना. Let's discuss the definition of the mining. Mining is basically the process of extraction of valuables from the ground of the earth. Do you know, students, our earth is blessed with different kinds of minerals and valuables. And mining is a process which is used to extract, means to remove these minerals from the ground and use these minerals in the different kinds of industries in order to manufacture different kinds of things. यानी mining is a process, यानी वो प्रोसेस जिसमें हम ज़मीन के नीचे सुराख करके उसके नीचे मौजूद मुख्तलिफ मिनरल्स को निकालते हैं और फिर उन्हें यूज़ करते हैं डिफरेंट चीज़ें बनाने के लिए. दैट्स वाई माइनिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज द माइन मिनरल्स यूज इन द इंडस्ट्रीज यूज टू मेक डिफरेंट थिंग्स सच एज दे आर यूज in the manufacturing of the computers and the mobile phones, and also they are utilized in the construction of roads and buildings. That's why they are important for the development of the country, and also it helps us to earn lots of money for our country. That's why mining is very important. Now after the definition of the mining, students learn about the people who involved in the process of mining. Such people are called miners. यानी वो लोग जो ज़मीन के नीचे से मिनरल्स को निकालते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? माइनर्स. आफ्टर दिस क्लास, see the most common kind of the mining, which is drill mining. Drill mining is a kind of mining in which drill machine is used. As you can see in this picture, drill machine is used to drill a hole in the ground to extract minerals from it. Okay students, so this was the overview of this topic. I hope you all get it. In our next lecture, we will see the exercise of this topic. Okay students, so thank you for listening me. Allah Hafiz. Take care.